Alright, YouTube lovers, this is Relative to Rock 24/7. Tomorrow is my birthday, but my parents decided to give me my birthday present early. So, and by the way, today is January 7th. But since I've been making quite a bit of YouTube videos, they decided to get me a camcorder. It's an iTech. 1 gig of built-in memory, HD, upload and share on YouTube. Most cameras can be these days. 720p HD, 8 megapixel photo, supports SD card up to 32 gigabytes. Gee whiz. Night shot in the light. Includes strap, USB cable, AC adapter, AV cable, component cable, Alloy-ion battery, manuals, and CD. And it works with Windows and Mac. So, this is an unboxing. Here we go. I'm going to shoot some video with this either today or tomorrow with my HD. You know, this is probably going to be one of the best, no, it's going to be the best videos I have on YouTube, because it'll be HD. Alright, here we go. Alright, so we got the component cable. Okay, I'll just drop it. The AC adapter. We got the USB cable. We got your standard composite video. Strap, battery, and last but not least, camera itself. Oh, actually, I've also got packaging, warranties and manuals. Now the camera. Woo, that's nice. Okay, so there are the little ports on it. It's got HD out and the AV and headphones out, because this is also an MP3 player. Little quick select of a close-up or far away. Take pictures and voice recorder, nice shot, MP3 player, HD stuff. Oh, it's also got a flash. Check that out. Man, I'm liking this camera. SD slot right there. The model number is V5T6. Of course, I'm using point and shoot, so it's not going to be a good video. Alright, but let's see here. Battery. First boot up. Nice. It's a pretty clear picture. Alright, well, hopefully soon I'll have some videos with this camera. Actually, that's not a hopefully. That's an I will have pictures with this camera. So. Well, this is Loves to Rock 24/7. Signing off.